Once, Europe was torn apart. For many centuries, countries fought each other until only ruins and pain were left. The nations were exhausted and close to collapse. But instead of continuing to hurt one another, 6 countries made a decision to start anew together. They introduced new principles. Instead of walls, bridges. Instead of war, working together for peace. They invited more members to join the community. They take care of what unites them.
Education,
Equality.
Protecting nature.
solidarity,
hospitality,
traveling,
democracy,
community,
human rights,
Helping those in need.
The community remembers that freedom is never given once and for all. It is our duty to help those who are weaker.
Because together we are stronger. This is Europe. This is us.